What is a Gaelscoil? Have you ever wondered how the Irish language is kept alive in schools today? A Gaelscoil is a special type of primary school in Ireland where the Irish language, known as Gaeilge, is the main language used for teaching. In these schools, all subjects except for English are taught through Irish. This means that students learn math, science, and history while speaking and hearing Irish all day long. The goal of a Gaelscoil is to create an environment where children can become fluent in Irish naturally. This method is called immersion education. By surrounding students with the language daily, they pick it up just like they would their first language. It is a unique way to learn and helps keep the Irish language vibrant and relevant. Na, which is the plural of Gaelscoil, follow the same official curriculum set by the Department of Education as other schools in Ireland. They are open to children from all backgrounds, regardless of their linguistic, cultural, or religious heritage. These schools receive state funding and operate under the same regulations as regular schools. However, the key difference is that Irish is the living language used by teachers, students, and staff throughout the school day. The first Gaelscoil opened its doors in Dublin in 1917. Since then, the number of Na has grown tremendously. Today, you can find at least one Gaelscoil in every county in Ireland. This growth reflects a broader effort to promote and preserve the Irish language and culture. For travelers visiting Ireland, learning about Na offers a glimpse into how the Irish language is integrated into modern education and community life. Many Na also engage in cultural activities like Irish music, drama, and sports, all conducted in Irish. This provides a rich experience of Irish culture that goes beyond just learning the language. So, if you are interested in the Irish language and culture, visiting a Gaelscoil can be a fascinating experience. It showcases how the Irish language is not only taught but also lived and celebrated in everyday life.